Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna pasta. First, gather your ingredients: pasta, canned tuna, olive oil, garlic, onion, and diced tomatoes. Choosing oil-packed tuna will give your dish a richer flavor and better texture. Make sure to pick a pasta shape that will hold the sauce well, like fusilli or spaghetti. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta until it's al dente, which means it's firm to the bite. While the pasta cooks, heat some olive oil in a large skillet. Add minced garlic and chopped onion, sautéing them until they become soft and fragrant. Then, stir in diced tomatoes or a tablespoon of tomato paste to create a delicious base for your sauce. Once your pasta is cooked, drain the canned tuna and gently flake it into your simmering sauce. Add the cooked pasta directly to the skillet with the tuna sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is thoroughly coated and heated through. Finish by stirring in some fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or basil, for a burst of freshness and color. You can easily customize your tuna pasta. Try adding a handful of fresh spinach or a quarter cup of capers for extra flavor and texture. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end brightens the entire dish, giving it a lovely zest. For a creamier sauce, consider stirring in a quarter cup of heavy cream or ricotta cheese. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.